So a concept I often tell some of my best clients that I work with is the concept of having an appointment with yourself every day.
Oh, thanks for this awesome idea.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. What I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
And what I mean by that is so often you have appointments with other people, right? Appointments with your wife, appointment with your boss, appointment with your clients. But it's very important every single day that you take an appointment with yourself. It's the time that you take really to, basically enjoy yourself. That's what you do. But most people don't do that. So they give other people the time. They show up for that meeting. They show up for that conference call. They send the email at the right time, but they don't take the time for themselves. And as a result, they don't grow very well. They are not very happy because they are not taking care of themselves. They're not taking care of their own soul. They're taking care of other people, but they are not taking care of their own soul. So if you really want to become happy, if you really want to become a person of power and productivity and peace and purpose, it's important for you to give yourself the time every single day. So I encourage you every day to set an appointment with yourself. I call it a date with yourself. And what you do basically at that time is, even if you take for 5 minutes, that's fine, but you must take some time without any distraction. So at that time, you do not basically check your email, you do not answer phone calls, you do not meet somebody else, you do not play with your kids. That's the time for you. That's you time. That's like me time. And once you do that, man, things start to transform for you. And let me tell you another benefits of that. A big benefit of that by the time you finish that appointment with yourself and you come back and you are basically now finally spending that time with your son or with your wife, you'll be so much present. You'll be so much focused. You will give your best to them. You will give your best to that email. You'll give your best to that presentation. You'll give your best to everything around you. And once you do that, and things start to change and transform for you. This is exactly what I do as a basic task for the people that I coach in my mastermind program called Rule Your Life Mastermind. I often tell them, like, if you don't take care of yourself, how can you take care of other people, right? It's very important principle for you to understand. It's important for you to take that walk, even if it's for 5 minutes every day. Do it consistently and do it with total power so that you have faith in yourself. You are being heard by yourself. You're listening to your own self. And you're being centered. That's the power of self-love, that you give yourself first. You cannot give others the love that you do not have. So that's my message for you, having a great time right here in this amazing place. I hope someday I get to meet you and hear your success story, hear about how you have become a confident speaker and then a confident leader and a powerful human being, and how you are transforming lives. Until that day, keep showing up for your life, keep an appointment with yourself. This one habit, honestly, has made me so much happy, and in my business, in my career, it has made me a millionaire that I am today, because I make an appointment with yourself. So if you have a dream of being a millionaire, if you have a dream of being a powerful communicator, if you have a dream of giving the best to your family, take that appointment with yourself, because it's all about connection, and that connection starts with you first. My name is Bishal Sarkar, always reminding you that public speaking It's not about perfection, it's all about connection.